Hello, my name is Gabrielle Barnes, and this is the Waste 151 Team Create. For the base of our Create, we have one of the two bracket pieces and a 4x12 metal plate. Connecting the bracket piece and the plate is a 3/4 metal screw along with its matching black nut. On top of this plate, there are 4 3/4 screws connecting two 13-mod beams together. These beams are the base of our motor mount. On top of these beams, if I can pull this up to show you, there is a 7-mod beam which is connected to this mod beam at the base with one black pin and one long pin. Disconnect that back. On top, there is a perpendicular connector piece, which is also connected to the same long mod pin on both sides. And they lead up to these 15 mod beams, there are 4 of them, that are also connected to this motor by 2 3/4 screws and black nuts. On the other side of the base, there are 2 connector pieces that are screwed down to allow a smooth transition into these L mod beams on the sides. In total, there are 7 half-sized screws and 1 3/4 size screws. This makes for 8 black nuts connected. These angle pieces are screwed into this 3x12 channel, which leads up to our pulley system connecting to this motor. The pulley system is comprised of a plastic servo mount, a 40-tooth gear, 2 silver screws, a number 10 axle and a number 8 axle, 6 bushings, 2 number 7 mod pieces, and 2 half screws along with their similar black nuts. The pulley wheel is connected to a 86 centimeter piece of string, which runs to the base of our claw, which is a 8 mod axle and 4 half bushings. The 2 rods going along the length of my arm are connected to this channel with a thread rod, a number 2 thread rod, and 4 black screw nuts. These 2 long pieces of metal are 1x19 straps that are used to connect my claw to my arm. The servo bracket here is connected to these long pieces of metal with an angle bracket that has 2 3/4 long screws and 2 1/4 long screws and 4 black nuts. The claw itself is comprised of 1 40-tooth gear, a plastic servo horn, 2 black screws, 2 1/4 screws, a connector piece, a 5 mod beam, a 3/4 screw, a 7 mod beam, a 7x3 mod beam that is angled, a 3/4 screw and its connecting black nut, a 1x11.5 angle mod beam, 2 of the set, 2 20 tooth double bevel gears, 2 16-tooth gears, 2 half bushings, and 2 4-mod axles. There's also 2 angle connector pins, and there's also 1 long pin and 1 short pin on this end, and 1 short black pin on this end. That is the build of the Ways 151 Create. I will now show you what it is meant to do on the board. Okay, so the Create will start in the large starting box whenever the timer begins. It will then go down the length of the board, and when it senses this black line, it will pause and go backwards. It will then turn and raise its arm to grab both of these pool noodles and place them, if I can grab them, in the analysis lab. Then it'll turn around again, grab this pool noodle, and place it once again in the analysis lab. Once that is completed, the Create will run backwards and square up on this line. Following after that, it will turn to that cube. It will pick up the cube, and then it will place it in the analysis lab with the 3 pool noodles. To run with the Create is a wombat that's supposed to also grab Bacall and place it in the analysis lab, adding a multiplier to this number of points. So far, the Create has not been able to grab the cube, but has been able to grab these 2 pool noodles and place them in the analysis lab on occasion. The Create has also been able to place this pool noodle in the analysis lab, but not with placing these 2 in successfully. That is my Create robot for Ways Team 151. Thank you.